Hey cruisers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be giving you a full room tour of an ocean view balcony on board Utopia of the Seas. This room specifically is 8546 on Utopia. This is on the forward end of the ship. Now, something I want to point out early on is just how big and open the room feels. As the camera pans around, you'll see the bathroom is kind of tucked in a corner. So the bathroom is not actually like jetting out. You don't walk into a hallway. You actually end up walking into a pretty open area, which I love. Some other smart moves that were done is that the closet is actually separated on either side of the bed. So this one is hanging storage all the way down. The other one actually has a couple drawers underneath it. I'll be showing you that now. And then across from the bathroom and the closet there, you're gonna have a full length mirror, which is just another nice touch. Now across from the bed here, we do have the TV, and this is something kind of odd, but these are your hang up spots around the room. There's really no other places, as you'll notice, on the wall to hang things. So it's kind of, there it is, kind of in the walkway area. But overall, I do like this layout. As you pan over, we come over here, you're gonna have your vanity area, and then we have more drawers and more storage here, as well as your cooler in here. Across from that, we're gonna have the couch. This is a 3-person room, so this couch does have a trundle that pulls out underneath it here, as you can see. That'll just turn it into a bed. And then let's go check out the bathroom, and then I'll take you outside to the beautiful balcony. So like I said, there is no hallway as you come in. It just opens right up into the room, and your bathroom is here at an angle. As we come in, it's very reminiscent of all the new ships as well. The style kind of has kept up as rows continued on. You're gonna have your tube shower that opens out and away from you instead of that weird like double door closing. It gives you that Jetsons tube feeling. But as you can see, I'm 6 foot and I have plenty of room. The shower head is still over me. Then of course, like always, you're gonna have your sink, a pretty decent vanity here to the left, and then just shelving on one side, and then your toilet. Okay, let's go check out the balcony. All right, so out here on the balcony, as you can see, you're gonna have a pretty good height railing. This is about chest height on me, and I'm 6 foot, so that railing's gotta be 4.5 feet or better. You also have 2 chairs and a table, and there is plenty of room to walk around. Now, the little footstools that go with the chairs do have to get tucked underneath the chair if you wanna be walking around. Unlike most of the other ships we've been on recently, Royal didn't actually tie these chairs together where you can't recline them. So these you can actually recline, which is really nice. But I love this open balcony. You have the glass partitions that can open if you have connecting rooms. But yeah, it's a very standard size balcony, a very nice balcony, and you're gonna have a great unobstructed view up here on deck 8 looking out through the glass in the morning. All right, well, we hope that helps you understand exactly what an ocean view balcony room on board Utopia of the Seas looks like. Again, this is room 8546. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We truly appreciate you guys. As always, you can use the QR code here or the link in the description down below to have Amy book the perfect cruise on the perfect itinerary for you, maybe even aboard the Utopia of the Seas. As always, we appreciate you, and we will see you on the next one.